Now when we talk about solubility curves and types of solutions, we need to know what some words mean. First one is soluble. Soluble basically means capable of being dissolved. Can something be dissolved? Yes, then it is considered soluble. Now, dissolving ability depends on the motion of particles and the attractive forces that have to be overcome for something to dissolve. Water and oil will not dissolve in each other because the motion of particles, there's no attractive force, there's too much to overcome for that to happen. Whereas opposed to salt can be dissolved, therefore it is soluble. Solubility, however, is slightly different. It is the quantity. Now we're getting into some math. Quantity of solute needed to just saturate a given amount of water or a given amount of solvent. The quantity of solute needed to just saturate a given amount of solvent. I'll give you a moment to write that down and then flip the page. I'm going to talk about 3 different types of solutions. Those 3 different types are on table G. The reference table can be used to identify, and we're going to learn how in class. A saturated solution, no more solute will dissolve at a given temperature. Any point on the line, study on table G. An unsaturated solution can still dissolve more, solute than it has, so we can still add more to it. And finally, our supersaturated solution holds more solute than expected at a given temperature, any point above the line. Now when I'm talking about these lines, you're going to look at table G, and here is that line that I'm talking about. So at a given temperature, if I had this point, it would be supersaturated. This one on the line would be saturated, and anything below it would be unsaturated. Now here's information of how to make a supersaturated solution. Part of it is you need to have a high temperature. You need to heat it up. Our main example is rock candy. So if you've ever had rock candy, you know, you may not know what I'm talking about, but that's how that rock candy was made. It was a supersaturated solution.